Welcome back on behalf of Forge College. In our last lesson, Multi-Signature Access Mechanics, we looked at how high-stakes systems require multiple people to give the final green light before anything moves. But what happens after that final permission is granted? That is where we introduce today's topic, building deployment scripts. Without a script, launching code is a messy, manual process. You are copy-pasting addresses and mashing a big red button while hoping your code lands safely on the moon instead of splashing down into your neighbor's pool. An automated deployment script changes the game. It acts as a precise, pre-programmed set of instructions that takes human error entirely out of the equation. By writing these steps down in code, the risky, chaotic process of releasing your work becomes a repeatable, professional workflow. Your exact intentions match your actual results, every single time. The first zone of any strong deployment script is mission control. Before any code goes anywhere, the script has to know its destination. Let's look at this control panel. We have a switch choosing between staging for testing and production for the live network. By typing a command like --env staging, you mechanically lock the path to target the testing network. Now, a critical warning. You might be tempted to type your private passwords directly into the script file. Think of these like top-secret launch codes. You should never leave those codes lying around in the open where anyone can read them. Instead, the script should pull those codes from secure, hidden storage spots on your computer. It only reaches into that vault to grab what it needs at the very second it needs to use them. Separating these hidden settings from your main code means your deployments are strictly predictable. It prevents you from accidentally firing unfinished test code into the live, real-world network. Once the destination is locked, we move to the second zone, ignition. This is where the script actively does the heavy lifting, preparing the code, calculating the necessary fees, which is essentially the rocket fuel, and finally sending the contract out to the blockchain. A smart script is designed to recognize if its work is already done. If a rocket descending toward a landing pad detects another rocket already sitting there, it cleanly pulls back. Your script should do the same thing. It checks the current state of the network before it acts. If it sees that the specific setup you wanted is already finished, it safely skips that step instead of trying to force a duplicate. Sometimes things go wrong during a launch. A connection drops or a calculation fails. A robust script has built-in checkpoints that pause and double-check for success before taking any irreversible steps. If a failure happens, the script immediately shuts down the engine and generates a detailed failure report. This is like a black box recording that tells you exactly where things went wrong, making it much easier to fix. These safety checks and early warning systems act as a vital safety net. They protect your project from making permanent accidental changes to the blockchain. We finally arrive at the third zone, the flight log. Just because your code is live doesn't mean the launch is complete. You have to leave a paper trail. Your script generates a deployment record, seen here as a receipt. It logs the commit SHA, a digital fingerprint, and the final addresses. These create a permanent link, connecting your exact file blueprints directly to their spot on the blockchain. The script then takes this receipt and automatically saves it into your project's history, tagging it so everyone on your team can see it. By automatically logging this, you create an auditable bridge between your files and the live network. You never have to guess which version of your code is currently running. Think about the difference between a manual deployment disaster and the stress-free reality of an automated launchpad. You get there by using 3 pillars: explicit inputs that prevent accidents, smart actions that check if the work is already done, and automatic logging that gives you absolute traceability. Applying this discipline turns terrifying launches into professional, repeatable releases that you can trust. This video was made by Forge College. If you want to learn more about seamless deployment workflows, smart contracts, and other Web3 topics, head over to forge.college. Put these scripts to work in your own projects and launch with confidence. Thanks for watching.